A very happy morning to you, my dear students. In the last video lessons, you all learned about simple past tense. Okay, now moving ahead with the next topic for subject English grammar for standard 4. Our next topic is lesson number 20, simple future tense. Future refers to time which is yet to come. जो आने को है, जो समय आने को है. The time which is yet to come. Okay. So, let's watch the video and know about the simple future tense. So, let's watch the video, students. Do watch it carefully.
Chapter 21. Simple future tense. Meeta is talking about her plans for the summer vacation.
Now, pay attention to the time, okay? Neeta is talking about her plans for summer vacation. यानी जो time अभी आने को है, या the time which is yet to come. Yes, now your studies are going on. Later in May, you will have your summer vacation. And she is talking about her planning for her summer vacation. So that refers to future time. So you understood? It's the time which is yet to come. So let's hear the future time.
My parents and I will go to visit Grandma who stays in Indore. We will stay there for about a week. From there,
Now, here you will see that every sentence has the use of will. W-I-L-L. So, when you say sentences referring to future time, one thing that you have to note is you have to make use of the word will and shall. Okay. Now, when you have to use shall and when will, that is what you are paying attention in the video for. Okay. So, what she is going to do? She is going to go to to her grandparents' house, and then she will be coming back also. Why? Because her cousins are going to come from Mumbai. So, look carefully for the simple future tense, how the sentences contain will in it.
we will return home because my cousins from Mumbai will come to spend their holidays with us. But before enjoying my holidays, I shall finish.
I shall. With I, you can use shall. And will go with anything. All the pronouns. You can I will, you will, we will, they will. But with shall should be used with only I shall. You can also use will with I also. I will. But shall, when you are using shall, you will use it only with I.
Finish my holiday homework. The verbs in the passage are in the simple future tense because they talk about actions that will take place in the time to come.
So you can see that simple future tense we use shall, will plus original form of verb. Verb तो वही present tense वाला original verb. All you have to do is just put will and shall. Clear?
See that in the simple future tense, we use shall, will plus original form of the verb. Negative sentences can be formed when we write.
Now pay attention to negative sentence. We already learned in past tense also. Negative sentence can be formed. When I say negative, no to hona chahiye, not. Okay. So, shall or you will use will. Then you put the negative word that is not, N-O-T, not, and the original form of verb.
Right. Shall, will not, plus original form of the verb. Examples: will not go, shall not play. Remember, here are some important points to remember. Shall is used only with I and we. Will is used with all the subjects. We often use short forms. I shall,
Now remember, this is first one. Shall only with I and we. Shall only with I and we you will write. But will you can use with all the subjects. And many a times we use short forms for shall and will. And what is a short form? I, then you put the apostrophe mark and double L. Understood? Same way, we put the apostrophe mark and double L. Similarly, they apostrophe mark and double L. That is how it is written in short form. But when you read, you are going to read it as I shall, we will, they will. Got it?
Shall, I'll, we will, we'll, they will, they'll. In questions, we put will, shall before the subject and use the original form of the verb. Example.
Now this is question sentence. Same like past tense question sentence. Only thing here you will put will, then subject and then original verb form.
Example. Will. He, subject. Go to the market. Original form of the verb. Let's revise. The simple future tense talks about actions that will take place in the time to come. Its form is will, shall, plus original form of the verb.
Now let's do the exercise since you have understood. So take out your textbook. Ready, students?
Drag and drop the correct answer from the help box.
First one. I dash home by 5. So reach. What is a future tense? I shall reach. Next. Today I dash at my aunt's place. Stay. Will stay.
Good work.
Next. I dash for the class test tomorrow. Sit. Will sit. Why we are using will? Because it's a future tense. In the drama, Meena will play. Will play.
Good work.
Next, buy. Future tense is will buy.
Good work.
And for call, future tense is,
Drag and drop.
future tense for call is will call. And last,
Good work.
teach. Will teach. Done, students?
Good.
Okay, let's go back to the exercise. Now, students, let's do the textual exercise. So, open text page 67 and here you are going to frame negative sentence. Remember, can be formed with shall, will, not because it is negative. So, not to lagana hi hai. And then original form. He will reach office on time. This is positive sentence. Make it negative. So, what you will do? You have to write first will. He will not reach office on time. This year, my birthday will not fall on Saturday. Will ke baad not lagana hai. Okay. So, do this on your own. Done? Check your answers. This is answer. He will not reach. Will not an original verb form. Here again, will not fall. Will not an original verb form. Will not divide. Clear? Now let's do the next one. In questions, we put will, shall before the subject. So if it is question, we have to put will or we can use shall before the subject. So here, they is the subject. We are talking about they. So we have to first put will or shall. And as you have learned, shall will come only with I. So here we will use will. Now let's understand the question. Complete the dialogues using the question words given in the brackets. So you have to use this question word how, who, why. So when question word is given in the bracket, you will put the question word first. So let's children do it. How, okay. After that, how will they travel to Ladakh? And question mark. You will not put by air because that is the answer, okay. So your question will be, how will they travel to Ladakh? Second one, Mona will come along with Soma to the party. This is the answer. Now you have to make it into question. So you will take the question word first. Who? Will. Mona, subject. So who, question word. Will, and after will, subject, Mona. So who will Mona, and then the original verb form, come. Who will Mona come along with? You will not write Soma because that is the answer. Who will Mona come along with to the party? And a question mark. Now the next one, do it on your own. You have to put the question why. Done? So after why, you will put will. And after will, the subject, Jeet. Who will Jeet call? Sorry, why will Jeet call the doctor? So check your answer. This should be your answer. Question word how, will, then the subject they, then the original verb form travel to Ladakh. How will they travel to Ladakh? They will travel to Ladakh by air. Next, question word who, will, subject Mona, original verb form come, along with to the party. Who will Mona come along with to the party? Mona will come along with Soma to the party. Next, why will Jeet call the doctor? Jeet will call the doctor because his grandfather is not well. So I am sure you have learned how to make the question words. A quick revision. Come on children, read along. Simple future tense talks about actions that will take place in the time to come. Simple future tense form mein you will put will, shall and original form of verb. In negative sentence, you will put will, shall, will and not, N-O-T, not plus original form. And in question sentence, you will put shall, will, then the subject and then the original form. So I will be sending you the notes and you will be copying down the notes neatly in your notebook. Don't forget to write the name of the lesson, simple future tense, put the date and copy neatly. And what you are learning is how to make the following sentence negative, and you know it, you have to put not after the will. So in the sentence you will put not. In every sentence after will you will put not. Will के बाद not लगाना है, it will become negative sentence. I will not remind you about the test. Faria will not appear for the interview. Will, not an original verb form. And in question sentence, if you have the question specifically bracket में दिया है, then you will put that first. When? Then you put will and then the subject and the original verb form. Clear? So this is how it will go. Where, since it is given where here, so where, will, then the subject, his father, drop him. Here, come on, do it along. How will they travel to Shimla? You will not put by car. That is the answer. So students, I hope you will do it neatly and correctly and send me the photo shot also. Happy learning. God bless you all.